Wow! That is the new busy book of Ezra.
It's alphabet.
Alphabet letters. Oh, you read the alphabet letters.
A for apple. Apple.
B. Huwag mong i-write, love. Only read.
Stick.
Where's the stick?
What is this?
Alphabet letters.
Alphabet letters.
Ah.
Good job.
Good job.
A for apple. Apple.
Very good.
B for ball.
Ba. 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 Ba.
No, mali sa ball.
Ay, mali si ball. Oh, sige na. Letter C na tayo.
Book ano computers.
Hindi man. Oh, dali na. Letter C na tayo. C is for
Cat.
cat.
D for dog. Dog. Elephant. F for fish. G for gorilla. H for hat.
Very good.
I for ice cream. J for jelly beans. K for kangaroo. F for lion. Wow!
I'm scared.
Ezra!
Ah, it's only Ezra. Oh.
It's the and for Maggie. Let's try it.
Okay. Next is N for noodles again. Narwhal. Okay. Letter O.
Sorry.
Oh, letter O tayo. O for
Orange.
P for
Penguin.
Q for
Queen.
R for
Rainbow.
S for
Snake.
T for
Tiger. Wow!
scared.
Ezra!
Ezra only. U for
Umbrella. Oh no! Raining!
it's raining. Rain. Where's the umbrella? That is pen.
No.
No. Mali.
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Oh, V for
Volcano. Oh no, volcano.
vulture. Vase.
Ah,
Very good. W.
well.
Whale. Wagon. Wax.
No.
Oh, worm. Correct. X for
X-ray. Oh,
X-ray fish. Very good.
X-ray.
Y for
Yellow.
yeah.
Yellow.
Sorry. Z
Zebra.
for zebra.
Good job.
Good job.
Flowers.
Vowel letters.
A for apple.
I thought.
It's the.
Oopsie.
Boing.
Mm-hmm.
And I like this. Boing.
Okay.
A. E. R. O. U.
Very good.
Next letters. Consonant letter.
Consonant letters.
Pig. Next. B for bear. Super got meow.
D for dolphin. Dolphin.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry. F is for
Fish.
frog.
Frog.
A frog. G for
Whippet.
G for
Gorilla.
ooh.
I'm like this. I'm gorilla.
H for H. Hedge.
I'm a horse.
Horse. Very good. J for
Jelly beans.
jellyfish.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
K for kangaroo. Mommy kangaroo.
Yes po. Very good. L for
Wow!
and also llama.
No, it's not the one.
Yeah.
Mommy, look the L for
L
For ladybug.
Ladybug. Very good.
Yes.
Very good.
For monkey. Oh, my stick.
Your stick. Oh.
Uh-oh. Thank you.
Oh, and for
Noodles.
noodles again na or whale?
No.
Oh, sige na nga. Oh, P for
Penguin.
very good. Mommy is a queen. R is for
Rainbow.
rhino.
No rainbow.
Ayaw mo rhino?
Mommy, look, our rainbow.
Oh, sige na nga. Rainbow.
Red, orange, yellow, blue, indigo, violet,
Very good.
rainbow.
Rainbow.
It's for snake.
This one.
T for tiger. Wow. For volcano. Oh no, my volcano.
Oh, may volcano. Vulture also.
Oh,
Violin.
the fallen.
Oh, violin.
I'm so loud.
Oh, so loud. Okay.
Wait.
W.
For whale.
Whale. Wagon.
Wagon.
And what else? Watch.
Correct. Mommy.
Good job. X for X-ray fish.
Pizza.
Cyprus. Tama? Siberia.
No.
Ay, ayaw. Y is for
Yellow.
yak. Correct. Yati. Correct. Z for
Shiba.
zoo.
Pizza.
Zipper. Correct. Good job. Next page. Two.
Letters. Words.
Very good.
Mommy, letters.
You know na this, love. B.
Honey.
If.
You. Up. On. Cheese.
Very good.
In.
Very good.
Go.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Hindi. Me.
Me.
Ito po. Very good.
No.
Very
no,
good.
No.
Very good. Ito.
Bye.
Very good. Very good.
Wait.
We. Ito.
Mama, we.
Opo. We.
It sounds like an hole there.
Oh, we.
We. Mommy, look. Mommy. Again.
We.
We.
Next.
At.
Eat.
Eat. For.
Off.
Of. My. Or.
So.
Mama, so. Two. On.
Very good. Good job, Ezra. And this is the next page.
Mommy.
Medial letter A, short vowel sound. At. O, yun.
Good job.
Very good. Next is? Very good. What is this?
Fan.
Fat.
Fat.
This one. Okay.
Cat.
O, ito po.
And
Very good.
mat.
Very good.
Rat.
Very good. Very good.
Pat.
Very good. Wait lang, Ezra.
Pan.
Okay.
Pan.
Very good.
Man.
Okay.
Pan.
Very good.
Rat.
It's not rat. It's run.
One.
Van.
10.
Very good.
Pan.
Very good. Good job, Ezra.
Yes, I did.
Next.
Well, because Ezra.
Opo.
Well done, boy.
Boink.
Oopsie.
Oopsie.
Back.
Na. Ag.
Back.
This one.
Back.
Very good.
Back.
Very good.
I don't
Ay, toink.
see.
It's okay. Very good. Very good.
What?
Very good.
What?
Very good.
Good job.
Good job.
Cup.
No. It's up.
Up.
Huh.
Cup.
Very good.
Lap.
Very good.
Nap.
Very good.
Mop.
Very good.
Tap.
Very good.
Wap.
Very good.
Tap.
Very good. Good job, Ezra. Next page, please.
Mommy has a tickle.
Oh.
Mommy has a tickle.
Oh.
Mommy tickle ako.
Tickle. Oh, ito.
That.
No. Add. Add.
Bad.
Very good.
Mommy bad.
No. The word is bad, but mommy is not bad. Correct?
Yes, I do wanna know. Okay.
Next is
Dad.
Dad. Very good.
And this will say I know that's say. Boing boing.
Toink. Boink. Next is
Pad.
very good, Ezra.
It's the pad is not ano. Let's go the ano.
Ano?
So many numbers.
Opo.
Mad.
Oh, mad. Ezra is mad. I'm sorry. Are you okay na? Yes.
Yeah.
Very good.
So
Sad. Paano yung sad? That is crying. That is not sad. Sad lang. Sad face. Sad face.
Dad.
This is ak. Ak.
Good job. Back
Very good.
and back
Very good.
and back
No. That is ak. Rock.
and back.
Very good.
Back.
Very good. Good job.
This one. Well, as a tickle. There's so much. That's easy.
It's easy. Oh. This is at.
This is pet.
Very good.
Okay.
What is this? What is this, lab?
Yeah.
Get.
And the mat.
Very good.
And the sweet.
No, sweet. It's at. Set.
Sweet.
No, that is not correct, lab.
Ma.
That is at. Set.
No sweet.
No.
So sorry.
What is that?
Set.
Very good. This one, no, this one.
Net.
Mm.
And wet.
Mm-hmm. How about this, lab? Lab, you forget this.
So sorry.
What is that?
No.
What is this, lab?
Wet.
Vet.
And
Then.
hen.
Very good.
Jen.
Very good.
Bee.
Not B. It's Ben. Ben.
Good job. Man.
Very good.
Ten.
Very good.
Ten.
Very good.
Zen.
Very good. Good job, Ezra. Next page, please. It's... Shh, shh, shh. Mwah. What is this, lab? Ed.
Ed.
Very good.
Bed.
Very good.
How about this one?
What is that? Huh? What is this, lab? Ed.
Bed.
Very good.
Mommy one.
This one.
Red.
Very good.
What?
Very good.
Red.
Very good.
Red.
Very good.
Mommy red.
It's okay.
It's red.
No, this is
Red.
red. Very good.
It's is the well.
This is L.
Bell.
Not well. L. Bell.
Bell.
Ito.
Foul.
Very good.
Sweat.
Not sweat. L. Cell.
Cell. Yell.
Very good.
Tell.
Very good.
Well.
Well.
Good job.
Good job, Ezra.
Dito sa part na po ito, nasa second level na po niyan kami ni Bunso para sa short vowel E. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang paggawa namin ng busy book ni Bunso para din po ma-ready siya kapag pumasok na po siya sa school. Kung gusto niyo pong makuha ang free PDF file po nito, just link in bio and follow our page po. Yun lang po for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless.